I want to talk to you about a worry and carefree place to rest your acoustic guitar. How often have you gone to a jam, a friend's house, an open mic? Fill in the blank. How often have you taken your guitar out and thought, I'll just lean it against the wall. I'll just rest it here against the couch. That's not safe. So I want to share with you a stand that is truly amazing. It's served me well for 3 or 4 years. I've had the same ones since I purchased them, and I want to share those with you. They are the Ultimate GS200 and the Ultimate GS1000. And pictures really don't do these stands justice. So I actually have them here with me. And you'll see immediately why I love these stands, because they fold up into a nice little package. The legs fold out of the bottom. There's a twist lock. And then, of course, the top flips up so you can rest your guitar right into it. This is the GS200, the one with the little wings to rest your guitar on the bottom. And then the GS1000, which has a really cool feature. Again, it folds up into a nice compact little unit. The legs fold out of the bottom, and then just go ahead and twist it shut. And the coolest part is the locking yoke, which is up here where your guitar headstock rests. Once you place the guitar into this, the weight of the guitar pushes the yoke down, and these little fingers actually secure the guitar in the stand. I love these stands because they are built like tanks. They're extremely roadworthy, and they keep my guitars safe. There's other stands out there that are just fine, but these ones, I can definitely give you the full-blown report that they will last a very long time. Like I said, these two, I think I bought them about 3 or 4 years ago, and they work like an absolute charm. So make sure to check those out if you're ever looking for a stand that's really nice and convenient. In fact, I keep one in my car at all times just in case. I love the fold-up feature of these stands. It's pretty darn amazing.